Okay, hello po.
Hello, teacher.
Okay, can you wait, teacher Kai, for a minute?
Okay. Hold on. How? Vâng. Con bấm gì đâu à? Đây là tiếng cái này. Thôi ạ. Vâng. Con bấm gì đâu? Đều gì đâu? Vâng. Đang đợi
Okay,
chị.
I'm back po.
Okay.
Okay, teacher Kai, just drink some water. Okay, so let's start our class. Okay, so can you please read this one?
I walk my dog every day.
Okay, I walk my dog every day. Now look at this one. How often, okay, how many times do you take English class? How often? Let's count.
I take
One.
English class 5 times a week.
Okay, where is 5 times a week? One, two, three, four, five. One,
Five.
two, three, four. Where is 5 times a week?
5 times. Picture
Where?
A is
Okay. It's picture A.
A.
Okay. So again, how often do you take English class? I.
I take English class 5 times a week.
Okay, very good. Now this one.
I walk my dog every day. Every
Okay.
day.
Every day. Let's count. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. That is every day.
Day.
Okay. Okay. How often do you take a bath? How often do you take a bath?
Just go to school.
No. How
What
often?
take a bath?
Yes, take a bath. Okay, wait. How often do you take a bath? How often do you take a bath?
Bạn tắm bao nhiêu lần một tuần?
It's 7.
Okay, or that is?
It's every day.
Okay, every day. Very good. Now this one book.
I sweep the floor on a week.
Okay,
On
no, that is once. Once.
once.
Okay.
Once.
Okay, how
I
many?
sweep the floor once a week. Once.
Okay, very good. Once means only one. Okay, once.
Once.
Yes. Okay, this one.
I watching TV. What?
Twice.
TV.
Twice.
Twice a week. Twice.
Okay, twice means two times.
Twice. Twice.
Okay, twice. This one is.
Once.
Okay, how about this one? Twi-
Twice.
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 Okay, very good. Now, how about this one?
I ride my bike 3 times a week.
Okay,
3 times.
okay, very good. You see, three.
3.
Okay, three times.
3 times.
Okay, how about this one?
Uh, I wash the t-shirt 4 times a week. Four
Okay,
times.
show teacher Kai four times. Show your hands. How many? Four? Four times.
4.
Yes, okay. How about once? Okay. How about three times? Three. Three times. Okay. How about twice? Okay. Very good book. Now let's have this one. What is the answer? Look at the picture.
It's every day.
Wow. Okay. Very good. Every day. Okay. How about this one?
It's why a week.
Twice.
Twice.
Twice. Twice. Twice. Twice.
Twice. Twice
Okay. Twice.
a week.
Okay. Very good. How about this one?
It's 4 times a week.
Okay. Very good. Four times a week. How
Week.
about this one book?
Uh, Once a week.
Yes. Very good. Once a week. Okay. Now this one book.
I sweep the floor once a week.
Okay. That
It's a
is.
eight.
Yes.
Eight.
Okay, now how about this one?
It's cooking twice a week.
Okay, very good. Cooking twice a week. I cook twice a week. Can you say it
A
again?
week.
Okay, this one.
It's I cook every day.
Oh, very good. Every day. How
Process
about
tomorrow phải đủ cuộc sống.
this one?
It's I t-shirt 4 times a week.
Okay, again, I wash.
I wash I wash t-shirt 4 times a week.
Okay, very good. Four times a week. How about this one? Oh,
It's 5 times.
okay. What 5 times?
What?
I
Me?
wash.
Uh, I wash. I wash t-shirt 5 times a week.
Okay, very good book. Give teacher Kai high five. You're very good. Okay, very good. How about this one?
Is I watching TV every day.
Ah, okay, very good every day. How about this one?
Uh, I watching TV once a week.
Okay, very good. Once a week. How about this one?
Uh, uh, is I uh study. I study twice a week time.
Okay, twice
A week time.
a week.
A week.
Okay, very good. Now this one.
Is I study three 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 a week.
3 times?
3 times a week.
Okay, very good. How about you, book? How many times you go to school?
Is um 5 times.
Very good.
No,
5 times.
four.
4?
No, it's 5 times.
Okay, very good. 5 times. How about how many times do you have soccer football practice?
What?
How many times do you play football?
Is every day.
Every day. Okay, how about how many times do you wash the dishes? How many times you wash the dishes?
Mm, is mm, is mm, 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 I don't wash the dishes.
You don't wash the dishes?
Yes, it's brother. Wash the dishes.
Okay, brother. Okay. Now, how about let's have this one.
Mm, is a ride bike. Teacher,
Like
make
Mike.
bike.
Okay. This one?
Is I bike 3 times a week.
Okay, how about this one?
Uh, I riding a bike 6 times a week.
Okay, very good. 6 times a week. How about this one?
Uh, is I like running. I running 7 times.
Ah,
No, it's every every day.
okay. Again.
I running every day.
Okay. I run every day. Okay. Now let's have this one. Can you tell
Uh,
me if it is true? Okay, true means good. False means wrong. Okay? False
okay.
is wrong. Okay, this
True.
one.
Three
uh,
time.
Okay, true. This one.
Uh, 12 time.
Correct?
T. T.
Sure? Twice times?
Yes.
Hmm?
Four.
Twice. Okay, false. So this one,
One time.
correct or wrong?
T. T. Four.
Okay, this one.
Four times.
Okay, correct or wrong?
Correct.
Okay, very good, correct. Now let's have this one. Okay, look, times. Okay, now this one. How often do you play the piano?
Is mm, is 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 a 1 month.
Okay, very good. But the answer is
Every day.
okay. Look at every day because it's old.
It's funny.
Yes, but it's month. Okay, your answer is still correct. Okay, now this one.
Uh, is
It's 1, 2, 3, 4. How many weeks do
is
you play for football?
is I play football 4 times a week.
Ah, I see.
What three?
Okay, because 1, 2, 3. This one.
Is
One,
11.
2, 3. One,
Okay.
2, 3.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now how about, oh, look at the picture. How often? What is doing?
I watching. I watching TV 4 times a week. Teacher.
This one?
Uh, I I sweep the floor um, twice a week. Twice
Okay. Very good. Twice a week. This one?
is I ride a bike once a week.
Okay. Once a week. Okay. How about you, Pook? How many times? How often do you brush your teeth?
Every day.
Okay. Every day. How about how often do you change your clothes?
is go to put on clothes.
Yes, how many times?
Is go to school put on clothes.
Okay. How many times? How often do you wash your clothes?
What?
Wash.
What's the clothes? What?
Rửa.
How many times do you wash your clothes?
What's the clothes? What?
How many times do you wash your clothes?
Bạn giặt quần áo bao nhiêu lần một tuần?
Is bras wash.
What?
Is bras wash your clothes.
Your
Me no
brother?
wash your clothes.
Oh, how many times? How often?
Is no. I don't.
Oh.
Me, I don't wash your clothes.
Wow. Okay. You don't wash your clothes?
Yes.
Okay. How about how many times does your brother wash clothes?
Is every day.
Every day? Oh, okay. How about how many times does your brother go to school?
What?
Brother, how many times? How often do your brother go to school?
Is 6 days. Is six
Six.
time.
Okay, six
Six.
times?
Yes.
6 times a week.
Week.
Yes, okay. How about how many times? How often does your dad go to school, go to work?
Is
Dad,
father the work.
yes.
Is no tone. No
Again?
work.
No
That
work.
no tone work.
Okay. So how many times you go to your friend?
Is three. Is 2 times.
2 times?
Yes.
Wow, okay. How many times do you study with teacher Kai?
Is 3 times.
Okay, 3 times a week.
Is Monday. No, is Thursday, Wednesday, and Friday.
Okay, very good. How about how many times do you play with your friends?
Is twice. Twice.
Twice.
Twice.
Okay, very good. So let's continue with this one. Okay, look at this one.
How often do you? I wash the dish 5 times a week.
Oh, okay, 5 times a week. This
I
one.
work. Mom and dad work the dog is 6 times a week.
Okay, very good. And this one.
And I me I eat the dog is every day.
You eat the dog every day?
No,
I feed. I feed.
Feed.
Okay, again. I feed.
Uh, mm, teacher,
Okay, again.
I feed. I feed. I feed. Every day.
I feed the dog. Feed.
I feed the dog every day.
Okay, very good. Every day. Hmm. Now let's have this one. Okay. How often?
Teacher is water. The water is drink water.
Oh, you want to drink water?
Yes.
Okay.
Cho hai bảo em nhé. Em ra cháu không học à? Có cái tiếng này cháu đang học. Teacher. Tầng hai bánh một bánh thiệt là.
Okay, so before we go, can we have this one? How many
Is the
times?
dog.
Okay, how many times do you walk the dog?
Is twice.
Twice.
I talk twice a week.
I walk the dog twice
I walk the dog twice
a week.
a week.
Okay, very good. How
Hai
about
bánh một.
this one?
Is
Ah,
uh is uh is I playing game is 4 times a week.
okay, very good. So that's all for today, Book. Teacher Kai will say goodbye.
Teacher is playing the game is every day.
Yes, every day I know. I know you play every day. Okay, bye bye, Book.
Goodbye, teacher Choppy.
Okay, bye bye, Book normal. Bye.
Bye, teacher Choppy.